Alrighty folks, here we go. Just wrapped up the 2023 Chevy Tahoe. We did a couple of things on this truck here. The first thing we did was the window tint using our color stable film, charcoal. Second package, 35 on that front windshield. It's a real nice light shade, gives it a nice look, and it's going to help protect the dash and block a lot of the heat out. On the sides here we did the 5%, which is the limo tint for privacy and heat rejection. Just going to do a little quick walk around so you guys can see it. I don't want to take the truck outside because it's sprinkling and it's going to get all wet, and I'm going to get all wet. So that's the tint. This film will not color change on you whatsoever, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. We also installed a sub in here. I'll let you guys hear real quick. So we only did a subwoofer, two subwoofers, two 12s. We didn't mess with the highs because this does have the Bose system, so the highs sound really good. We mounted our bass knob right here. We didn't want to have no bass knobs dangling nowhere. So let's hear it real quick. If you ain't worth it, that's all you get. I ain't gonna blame you, I'ma blame all you. Sounds nice and loud. The box fits perfectly in here. If you want to throw some tie downs, you could do so, or if you want to make some brackets, you can go ahead and make a bracket in that back panel so you don't have no brackets on here. But I'm going to ask the customer first, make sure that we're okay. If they would like to drill some holes onto here, then it's up to them. But be honest, I don't think this box is going to go nowhere. It's a pretty sturdy box. Everything fits nice and clean in there. And it looks good too. The other job we did on this one was installed some headrest on here. There's some nice headrests here, guys. Let me see if I can get this seat to slide back some.
Surprise guest! Taking place at the legendary Kia Forum April 22nd.
Tickets are on sale now at Ticketmaster.com.
Only from 93.5 KA, celebrating 40 years.
Brought to you by Tax Relief Advocates, your tax resolution experts.
Attention! Open to the public, dealers and wholesalers. Car World is overstocked and must liquidate over 500 vehicles at auction prices. Vehicles starting as low as $2,500. And your credit score does not matter. With our in-house financing, if Car World can't get you approved, then you know what? Take $1,000 off the sticker price of any vehicle, plus get $1,000 for any trade-in.
Okay, so yeah, the system sounds really good. It's more than enough. And then the screens, as you can see, you can watch YouTube, you can be on Netflix, Disney Plus, and all that good stuff. You can mirror your link. Once you hook up to the hotspot, then you can do what you want to do. And since we have this limo tent on here, man, this thing is so comfortable. You can be kicking back here and just scoot your seat all the way back and watch some videos. Both screens. So it's pretty nice, guys. Wrapped it up. Now the kids are gonna be happy. They could both watch whatever they want. I think it just looks really nice. And the nice thing about the headrest is that you can Bluetooth them to your radio, and then you can, whatever movie you're watching or whatever the kids are watching, you can Bluetooth on here and it'll play through the whole system. So it's really nice. This one is ready to go. It is done. So on this one, it has like two little bass knobs. This one is the Epicenter Micro. So it has a built-in epicenter and a high to low. So you can control the bass, and then if it needs a little bit more bass, you just turn it up with that back one right there. This job took some time. It is a brand new truck. I took my time with it. This thing took me about a good 2-3 days to wrap up. Today's the third day. Looks good, guys. Let me know if I can help you guys out with any of your new Tahoes or any type of vehicle. We can help you guys out with any of your modifications here at Dee's Garage. Let's get this one on the road. On to the next job.